for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love.
Hey guys, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today's video is gonna be a very exciting one. I'm gonna show you how to convert your old denims into denim boots, and it's gonna be a very easy and a simple procedure. It's not gonna be a long video as well. So yeah, I was about to do this video last year, but then it just didn't work out. The technique was a bit sloppy, but then I improvised this year and I did this, and finally it worked out and I'm quite happy about it. If you want to know how to make it from a fabric or like using a zipper, then do let me know. I'll do that video as well. The best thing about this boot is that you can reuse your heels by just removing it from your boots, and you'll be able to use it. It's kind of like a denim boot sock, so you just have to wear it, like you have to insert your heels and inside the boot, and then you can use it as a denim boot. And then when you don't want to wear the denim boot, you can get your heels out and wear it as it is. So it's like a super cool 2-in-1 kind of a boot. आपको ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना हो तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. ये जस्ट वीडियो के जस्ट नीचे होता है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, वहां पे आपको फर्स्ट लाइन पे लिंक मिल जाएगा. वो हिंदी वीडियो का होगा, बट अगर आप सर्च करना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल का नेम है द DIY गर्ल हिंदी, एंड वहां जाके आप मेरे को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और मेरे बाकी हिंदी वीडियोस को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. If you like this video so far, do hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So for this, I'm taking this navy blue jeans of mine, but you can take any color of your choice. Just make sure it's stretchy as much as possible. Then using measuring tape, mark how long you want your boots to be. Starting from the bottom of the jean, I'm taking about 19 plus 1 inch of seam allowance, so the total of 20 inches. Then draw a straight line on 20-inch mark and then fold the jean and keep the legs together so you can cut them equally. Once cut, keep the legs part aside and let's work with the shorts part first. First, cut the shorts starting from button to the zipper side and then the entire crotch going back, and then dividing the shorts into two parts from its crotch. Now once cut, open up the remaining inner seam of the pieces as well, which were attached to the crotch. Once done, this is how they will look like. Now you have to remove the pockets of the shorts using the seam ripper for the future use. Now once done, take one part of the shorts, fold it, and then measure your foot from the place your foot bends when you wear heels till your ankle. Now mine came at about 16 centimeters, so just mark that on the folded side of the piece. And then measure the ankle length like this, and whatever it is, divide that in half because our fabric is folded, and mark that perpendicular to the fold like this. Then measure the length of your foot heel like shown, and mine came at about 10 centimeter. Then just mark it down straight from the ankle length mark like so. Then measure your toenails length where your foot bends when you wear your heels. So mine came at about 9 inch, divide it in half and mark it at the bottom edge from the folded side. Join the above mark with the bottom mark in a curved way like this and cut it out. Once cut, use this piece to make one more like this from the remaining jeans. Once done, you should have two such pieces. Now fold it from its wrong side out like shown and stitch the open edges. Once done, this is how they will look like. From its folded side, mark 1 inch from the bottom in like this, and do it on the other piece as well, and then mark a curved line like so towards the other corner and cut it out. Once done, this is how they should look like. Now bring in your leftover jeans and open and stretch the bottom curvy side like this and place it over the jean and trace the curved edge completely. Then from its midpoint, mark a straight line up of about 5 cm approx, which should be the length of your biggest toe. Then join the curved line corners with the top point in a semicircle shape and cut it out, and make one more such piece. And now to join it with the main pieces, just flip it wrong side out and pin it with the curved corner we traced it from like shown, and then stitch it in place. Once done, this is how it will look. Next, take out the pockets we left aside and bring in the heel you will be using inside for this boot, and place that pocket under your heel
and stretch it completely and mark the shape of the bottom of your heel on that pocket piece. Cut it out, leaving about half an inch of seam allowance. Then make one more of it from another pocket. Now to attach it to our main piece, turn it wrong side out, and then you have to pin it starting from the center like this and pin the entire piece in place. See? See, this is how they will look. And you will be able to see this gap up top here. Now you have to close the remaining open gap like this as well. Now once done, this is how it should look. Put your heel in it and you will see that you will have this much gap left open. So take over your leftover fabric and cut a piece out to cover that place. Now, and once that is cut, let's attach it, and to do that, you simply have to place it on the main piece like this and leave a little space in the heel area as well as some for the ankle side as well, where we'll be attaching the boot leg. And once that is done, this is how they should look. Now to attach the boot leg, turn them wrong side out and pin the ankle opening of the main piece with the ankle of the jean, and once done, stitch it and cut the extra fabric from the inside and flip it right side out. Put your heel shoes inside and bring its heel out of the hole we left. Do some ripping on the heel side and the knee area to make it look more sexy, and that's it. To know how to do
I'm ready for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons. Babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the
That was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel right away if you haven't done it yet. And if you haven't turned on that notification bell button, do it right away so that you guys notified as soon as I upload a new video, which is going to be every Sunday, that's for sure, but some occasional weekday videos as well. If you want to watch my beauty and lifestyle channel, which is a separate channel which goes by my name, Ramya Vasudev, and if you want to subscribe to that channel, do that. And because I'm editing a lot of stuff to post there, and I'll be posting a lot of good stuff over there, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and make me reach 10,000k over there as well. If you try any of my DIY including this denim boot, do share it with me on my Instagram page, that is right over here, or my Facebook page, that is right over here. You can follow me on both these platforms as well. I would love to chat with you guys. I would love to connect with you guys over there. Today's feature goes out to Akansha, Jia and Varsha Priya. Thank you so much guys for your lovely comments. I really appreciate all the love you guys give to me. If you also want to get featured in my next DIY video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell button on, and comment down below which color of denim boots do you like, the lightest shade of the blue or the darkest shade of the blue, which I opted for. But do let me know in the comments down below, and add a hashtag, that is notification squad, which means you are coming to watch my video as soon as you get notified about it. So yeah, that's what the main reason for the hashtag is. So do add that, and I'll feature 3 of you guys for my next DIY video. So that was it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.